I shall explain to you a particular method called variational iteration method. This method is widely used to study nonlinear ordinary differential equations and also nonlinear partial differential equations. Mathematicians he and his collaborators developed this method in 90s. 90s they developed this method, and later on it has been used to solve several problems in applied mathematics, engineering and applied sciences. Suppose we consider a differential equation in this form: Ly plus ny equal to fx. While here L is the linear part of the operator, A is the nonlinear part of the operator, and f is a function, which is the non-homogeneous part of this differential equations. Now, actually, the method what we are going to explain is a particularly iteration method, which is supported by some variational technique. So, like many other iteration method, this equation gives the result in the form of yn plus 1 to yn integration 0 to x L lambda into L yn plus n yn minus f xn d tau. Suppose this lambda yn and xn, or here we can put it here, where lambda yn and xn are functions of tau. So our scheme is, we want to find the value of lambda tau, or this is the standard Lagrange multiplier. Then from this particular relation, after putting the value of lambda, we start with the value of y equal to y0. Then we find out y1 equal to y0 plus so on, y2 equal to y1 plus so on. So this is the iterative scheme. That's why this is an iteration method, and we use some variational technique to find the lambda. Now let me explain how the variational technique works. Suppose we take the variation on y n plus 1 such that the variation of y n plus 1, that is the value of n plus 1th stage, this equal to 0. That is, the error what will occur after the n plus 1th stage is under the error of tolerance, that is, it is almost equal to 0. And here for nonlinear term we use some restricted variation, that is delta. Now putting this variation delta on, suppose this equation number 2, we can write the equation in the form delta yn plus 1 equal to delta yn plus delta 0 to x lambda tau L delta yn tau plus n delta yn tilde tau minus f delta sorry বন্ধ করতে তো একটু করে ডেল্টাটা